Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited to share this bead box. So this is Curated Bead box. It is the March subscription box, and I think it's around $17.95 a month. So I also I would go see Beadifulnights. She has I saw this on her channel. She has a coupon code, and this is for jewelry making, but you can use it for whatever you want to. So she had a coupon code that was 35% off. So I'm gonna link her video, and that way you guys can get that discount too. All right, so anyway, so here it just shows all the items in the box. Oh, it also says these items are available on dollarbead.com using model numbers. So if there's a specific one that you like, that you really wanted more of, this is what you can put in, and it'll come up on their website. Looks like most of the beads are 8mm, 10mm, and 12mm. So here this is how it comes wrapped. Okay, I'll turn around. And so this looks so yummy, y'all, for real. It looks really like amazing colors. It looks better in person than on the video. Okay, so and I'm going to start with this one here. So this one is they don't tell me which one is what. This is definitely 12mm. These are freaking gorgeous. Oh, I don't really know, but I'm putting those numbers. Look how gorgeous that is. Here's another one, really pretty red Crackle glass. Almost looks like an imitation quartz. Really pretty one here. That's like yellowish red. This one here. It's Crackle glass beads. Yellow. So far, I got 12, 10, and 8. This orange one here. Super cute colors. This one right here. I'll give you a lot of this one. Actually, this is the 8mm. So 12, 10, and 8. Looks a little small, but that's 8. This really beautiful color one here. So pretty. This one here has like a iridescent type colors. This one here. And this is the last of the beads. Love that. So next, I have some findings. So I have some, let's see, tiger tail wire in gold. Here are some eye pins. I mean head pins. some elastic. It'll give you everything you need. This is memory wire. Some earring hooks. Some, I forgot what these are called. Crimp beads. Lobster clasp. And jump rings. So they also have these little tube beads. These are going to be interesting to work with. And then the last is some really cute spacer beads. So that's what this whole kit brings. So like I said, I'm gonna link her video below. That way you can get your code and get that 35% off, because my box came to like $13. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.